Take out all parts from the package. These are the accessories for a complete bike. Please prepare a screwdriver for yourself. The first step is to set up front wheel. Pick up the handlebar, rotate the front fork, and make the brake clamp face forward. Rotate the handlebars like a demonstration and tidy the brake line. Take down the riser cover, loosen the hanging core a little, and take down the protective sleeve. Insert the handlebar into the head tube to leave a little space for installing the shift lever. Tighten the lifting core screw at the proper position. Unscrew the fixed screw of the shift lever, clamp it on the riser after breaking it. And tighten the screw. Loose nuts on both side and remove the front fork protector. Install the front wheel into the front fork. Unscrew the nut of the quick release lever. Remove the spring near the nut side. Insert the quick release lever into the front wheel axle. Put the spring in the other end first and cover the nut. Pinch the nut and turn the wrench. Step 2. Assemble the seat. Insert the saddle tube into the saddle and tighten the saddle screws. Loosen the seat post clamp screw. Insert the seat post into the seat tube. Insert the seat tube beyond the minimum safety line. Align the saddle. Tighten the seat post clamp screws. Step 3. Assemble the pedal. First determine the left and right of the pedal. The one with R written on it is the right pedal and the one with L written on it is the left pedal. Insert the pedal into the hole on the crank and rotate the pedal toward the front end. Then use a wrench to tighten both sides of the pedals or over the head position screw. Finally, after adjusting the lower handle and the front wheel to be perpendicular to each other, tighten the handle screw. The installation is now complete. If there are still questions, please contact us.